Alright, so if you want to read your WhatsApp messages without opening the message, or better still, you want to open that WhatsApp message without being seen, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to go about that so that you can read people's message without them knowing that you've read the message. So if you are new on this channel, my name is Charles Chino. So I'm right on this channel. I talk about ways you can make money online, how-to tutorials like this one you're watching right now, and basically YouTube growth. So if this is your first time right here, ensure you like this video, ensure you comment if this worked for you, and also subscribe to this channel. So for you to do this, it's very simple. Just follow this step I'll be showing you right away. So for you to do this, you need to go to your phone setting. So once you go to your phone setting, then you go to where you have your notifications. So let's just look for notification right here. Can you see it? So open notification right here. Then look for where you have WhatsApp or WhatsApp business among your apps. So you can see that WhatsApp business is showing right here on my own screen. So what I'll do now is I'll just turn this on. So over there, just go ahead and turn it on over there, and you'll see the difference right now. So once I turn this on, it means that I'll be able to like swipe down to check if I actually got any WhatsApp message. So before this video comes to an end, I'll surely get a WhatsApp message and you get to see it. So the next way you can go about this is by going to your WhatsApp itself. So once you go to your WhatsApp, then you come over here and not now. Okay. Then you click on these three dots up here. Once you click on that, then you come to where you have your setting. So over here, just come to where you have your privacy. So tap on privacy, and right here you can see that we have read receipts turned on. So what you want to do at this point is you want to turn it off. So once we turn this off, then it means that whenever you read someone's message, it will not mark as blue. You know that blue tick that usually shows twice. It won't show again once you turn this off. So it means you can now read someone's message and they will not know that you've read their message. So can you see the first setting we actually turned on? So you can see that now I can read someone's message from here and I'll get to see what they actually asked me. Can you see? Before we were not getting all these notifications, but now we are getting it and we can now see someone's message even without opening our WhatsApp or without opening that person's message. So I believe you got value from this video. If you did, ensure you like this video, ensure you drop a comment if it worked for you, and also subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.